So hey guys, what's up? So today in this video I will explain about bash scripting or shell scripting. Bash scripting or shell scripting is an automation process in Linux. It helps you to write a sequence of commands in a file and execute them. It saves your time to write certain command again and again. You can use it for manual or automation execution. So how do you identify the bash file? It's very simple. The file name with the extension .sh is the bash file. It's very powerful knowledge of scripting. If you gain knowledge in this, you can take down any machine or any server within a second. So how do you like this video? So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video.